Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our Learn and Earn BD YouTube and Facebook channel. Today we will learn about a split AC. This video will be helpful HVAC related people and AC technician. So let's start. Part 1. First time we will learn some vocabulary of split AC components name. Compressor, condenser coil, evaporator coil, expansion valve, filter, filter dryer, remote control, drain pipe, drain tray, copper pipe, refrigerant gases, etc. Part 2. Now we will make some simple sentences of a split AC system. The split AC has main two parts, one indoor unit and another outdoor unit. The indoor unit cools the room temperature and then the outdoor unit releases the hot air temperature. The compressor circulates the refrigeration cycle and then the condensation the refrigerant. It's make refrigerant from high pressure and high heat to low pressure and low temperature. And then the expansion valve, it's spray the refrigerant and convert the low pressure liquid to vapor. And then the evaporator coil, it's cool the full coil and make refrigerant full vapor and absorb the heat temperature. And then again the compressor sucks the refrigerant and discharges. It is a refrigerant cycle. The filter, it's remove the moisture from the refrigerant, and the air filter make refresh air into the room. The remote control system, it's control the room temperature and on off the unit and control the blower fan motor high-low speed. I clean my air conditioner filter every 2 weeks and I check the thermostat before repair the unit. If you like the video, you will subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.